Hello, dear students. I hope all you are doing good. So let's complete this chapter today in this explanation. So now the topic is India and the world. Okay. So Indian landmass has central location between the East and the West Asia, and India is southward extension of the Asian continent. West East provides strategical center of location of India. Note the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with the West Asia and Africa, Europe, and Western coast, Southeast. Okay, to understand these all the things, let's go to the map. Now look, India is playing the very central part, right? And you can see the maritime trade. Africa, it is India is connecting Africa throughout the eastern part of this Asia. Okay, so to explain this more effective way, let's go to the globe. Look, this is Europe, European continent. Okay, so the sailors were used to come from this track from Cape of Good Hope, then to India. India and the other parts of the countries from here. Fine. But what happened? One canal is here very important, that is Suez Canal. What? Suez Canal. Okay. And remember one thing, the Suez Canal was opened in 1869, and 1869 was also a birth year of Mahatma Gandhi ji. So you can remember both of the things together. Suez Canal was opened in 1869. Okay. And what happened that when Suez Canal was opened, so now the European sailors, for the European sailors, it was very easy to connect the Asian countries from here to here, as you can see. And before this, when was this Suez Canal was when this Suez Canal was not opened, so that time they used to take this much lengthy distance. Okay, so you can see Suez Canal reduced the time and the distance from the European countries, from the Western countries to the Eastern countries, right? Look, where is Suez Canal? You can see here, here only. Okay, fine. So you can think that India was very prominent point of the world from where the traders used to do the maritime trades. Okay, and now let's talk about the. So now India is a neighbor. India occupies important strategic positions South Asia. Okay, and 29 states and 7 union territories. But let me tell you that now it has been changed. Okay, you please add it in your books also. There are 28 states now. 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, that two newly formed union territories are Jammu and Kashmir, and the second one is Ladakh. Okay, so that is why 9 union territories and 28 states now. Okay, so let's see how many countries are the neighboring countries of India. So you can see here only. See, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Okay, look, a narrow landmass you can see here. It is Afghanistan touches to the POK. Okay, POK, Pak occupied Kashmir. Okay, which we include in our territory, but this part is a POK. So, and China. Okay, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Okay, so these are the neighboring countries, but let's see island countries. So these are the island countries of India: Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, so you must remember these countries in your mind, and please go through to the map. Okay, so there sorry, so there are some gulf and straits are also very important, so let's focus on it. Okay, before understanding that strait and gulfs, let's understand what are straits and what are gulfs. Okay, so look, first of all, strait. So as you can see here, it is Park Strait. What? Palk Park Strait. Strait. Okay, means where a narrow water body connects with the two huge oceanic connects with the two huge oceanic water bodies. So here it connects with the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. That is why it is strait and it is named as Park Strait. And just near to this, you can see here it is Gulf of Mannar. What? Gulf of? I'm telling. Let me show you here. It is Gulf of Mannar. Okay. This place is known as Gulf of Mannar. What are gulfs? Means where a large oceanic boundary meets with the continental landmass. Okay, like here you can see this continental landmass is connecting with the Indian Ocean, so that is why Gulf of Mannar this name is. And you can see this Arabian Sea oceanic water body is also connecting with this continental landmass and this continental landmass, so that is why this one is known as Gulf of Kutch, and this one is known as Gulf of Khambat. Gulf of Khambat. Okay. So there are important terms we are discussing. The strait, Pak Strait we have discussed here. Okay. And three gulfs we have discussed: Mannar and Gulf of Khambat, and over there what? Gulf of Kutch. Okay, so I hope all you are clear about this. So this is all about your this chapter. If you are having any kind of confusion, so you can ask. And if you have not gone through to the previous videos, so please watch it. Those are very important. This chapter is very most important in geography. Thank you so much.